Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. So this is part 2 of our cookie pricing video series, and today we're going to price our royal icing. So to begin, we need our royal icing recipe, and this is a recipe that I have shared with you for the past maybe like 7 years. So it's 2 pounds of powdered sugar, 5 tablespoons of meringue powder, 2 teaspoons of clear vanilla, half a teaspoon of almond extract, and 2/3 cups of water. So I am going to preface this and tell you that at the end, I was very surprised that it is actually more expensive to make royal icing than it is to make sugar cookies. I think I just was kind of like forgetting to factor in my brain like the meringue powder. And you'll quickly see that that is one of the most expensive ingredients in this mathematical equation. So to begin, powdered sugar, we need 2 pounds, and one bag is $2.22 at Walmart. So we need one bag, and that's going to be $2.22. The next ingredient that we're going to need is meringue powder. And here I have the breakdown of the pricing. So we're going to need a 4-ounce tub, or the smallest tub that they have at Walmart. We need 5 tablespoons, so that equals $4.35 for meringue powder. We also need clear vanilla extract. Now here it looks like it's on sale, but I took the most expensive price because you won't always find it on sale. So we end up needing 2 teaspoons, and that's going to equal $1.34 at the most expensive price. We are also going to need almond extract, and for this we need a very small amount, so it's going to equal 15 cents total for the amount that we need. You obviously could omit this ingredient, you know, in general, so you don't need it, but I'm adding it in anyway. We also need 1 tablespoon of corn syrup, and here our total adds up to be 8 cents. This ingredient I wouldn't leave out because corn syrup gives you more elasticity and more time to work with your royal icing, so I feel like it's necessary. And finally, we need water. So here we have 1 gallon at $1.34. And when you do the math to the 2/3 cups that we need, it equals 56 cents. So our total for all of our ingredients is $8.70. And I believe that our cookies were priced at a total of $3.50. I do want to say that the amount that this recipe gives you for royal icing is enough to ice approximately 24 to 36 cookies, depending on how much royal icing you need and how much detail you're adding. So really it all depends on how much writing you're doing and flooding. If it's something really simple, then your royal icing can go a long way. But let's just pretend that this total is for 2 to 3 dozen cookies, so that we can kind of like stay within like the talking points that we need for our video. I do have a third part coming, so our third part is going to be equipment, so like cookie cutters, and we're also going to discuss like things like pricing depending on your talent. So you also have to be very mindful of how talented you are and of what you still need to practice on. So you can't be charging a lot of money if your cookies are not up to par. And in that aspect, you have to always be honest and keep true to yourself. And as you progress and as you become better, then obviously raise your prices. So I'm just very curious to see how much people are charging around my area and how we're justifying these prices. How much should I charge for my cookies? I know that back in the day I used to charge, I think, between $40 to $60, I believe, for royal icing cookies, but it should probably be higher now. So stay tuned for part 3 where we discuss all of the stuff that I mentioned. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to leave me a comment, leave me your questions. Where are you located? How much is your cookie dozen, if you don't mind sharing with us? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, share my video with a friend, subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.